Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to crop just one layer only in Krita. To begin, select the layer you want to crop in the Layers docker. Next, choose the crop tool from the toolbar, or press C on your keyboard to activate it. Then look at the Tool Options docker. In the Applies to drop-down, change the option from Image or Canvas to Layer. This tells Krita to crop only the selected layer. With the crop tool active, drag across the canvas and adjust the crop box by dragging the handles until it surrounds just the part of the layer you want to keep. Everything outside the box in that layer will be removed when you apply. When your crop rectangle is set, press Enter or click Crop in the Tool Options docker. Krita will trim just that layer to your selected area while leaving other layers and the canvas untouched. And that's how you crop just one layer in Krita. Thanks for watching.